Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Join quickly. Good morning. All right. In the previous class, yesterday we started a chapter, a new lesson, The Two Brothers and the Gold. And we have read the lesson, I've explained you the story, and we did the word meanings of that chapter. All of you have done the word meanings in your fair copies? Very good. Now today we are going to do reference to context and question answers. So open your books, keep pencils in your hand, and let's start with reference to context today. Page number 115. Page number 115. Keep pencils in your hand. Be ready. Let's start reference to context. Page number 115. What was he afraid of? And what did he run away from? Who is he in these lines? John. Who is he? John ran from there. Yes, so answer is John. Yes, John. John, John. Then, very good. Who is asking which page number now? So late? You all don't know which page the chapter exercises are there? Which chapter we are doing? Open the reference to context of that chapter. I will not tell the page number now. You open yourself. You all are not nursery babies. You all are class 5 big children. Yes or no? Then open page on your own. You tell me which page number. Tell which page number. We are doing which page? We are on which page? Hania, you tell we are on which page? Yes, 115. What did he run away from? He ran away from he ran away from the heap of gold. He ran away from the heap of gold. Heap spelling is H-E-A-P. H-E-A-P. He ran away from the heap of gold. Written heap of gold. Why did the person do so? As he believes, as he believes, 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 as he believes that taking, taking someone's, apostrophe s, someone's, taking someone's gold, taking someone's gold, apostrophe s, is a sin. Taking someone's gold is a sin. As he believes that taking someone's gold is a sin. Done? Next. That some devil who placed the gold there in order to correct thee hath also put these words into thy mouth. In a, where we have done in a. Beta, as he believes that taking someone's gold is a sin, not in a sin, is a sin. Is a sin. Next, that some devil who placed the gold there in order to corrupt thee hath also put these big words into thy mouth. Who said these words? An angel. Who said these words? An angel. Angel. Please write Angel. Some of you write angle, which is wrong. This is angle. This is angel. So Angel, not Gle. When you write Gle, it becomes angle. So what is the spelling of angel? Angel. What had the person being spoken to done? The person, write the answer. The person has taken all the gold. The person has taken all the gold. The person has taken all the gold. Why did the speaker say these words? Why did the speaker say these words? To make Athanasius realize his mistake. To make Athanasius, to make Athanasius, Athanasius, Athanasius realize his mistake. Realize, Realise, Realise, realize. Done. Now realize his mistake. Okay. So answer number 1. How did Athanasius and John serve the poor? This is the question. Right answer. Athanasius and John, Athanasius and John went out. Athanasius and John went out to work every day. Athanasius and John went out to work every day. Full stop. They work, they work not. Athanasius and John went out to work every day. Full stop. They work not for themselves. They work not for themselves, but for the poor and needy. But for the poor and needy. I'm repeating. Athanasius and John went out to work every day. Full stop. They work not for themselves, but for the poor and needy. Poor and needy. 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 They work not for themselves, but for the poor and needy. Done. Answer number 2. What is the question saying? How did the brothers spend the Sabbath day? How did the brothers spend the Sabbath day? Answer 2. They spent. They spent. S-P-E-N-T. S-P-E-N-T. They spent Sabbath day. They spent Sabbath day at their home. They spent Sabbath day. See the spelling of Sabbath from the question itself. They spent Sabbath day at their home. T-H-E-I-R there. T-H-E-I-R. Their home, comma, praying, praying, P-R-A-Y-I-N-G. P-R-A-Y-I-N-G, praying and conversing together. Praying and conversing. C-O-N-V-E-R-S-I-N-G. Conversing. Conversing means talking. C-O-N-V-E-R-S-I-N-G. Conversing together. Conversing together. They spent the Sabbath day at their home praying and conversing together. Done? Answer finish after together. All right.